What is your name?
My name is Grace Ann Cabaluna.
How old are you?
I am 50 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have 3 sons.
How old are they?
21 years old, 17 years old, and 14 years old.
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
5 years and 8 months.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
Malaysia.
How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
5 years and 8 months.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Law Fu.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
507.
How many family members are they?
4.
Couple and?
Couple and 2 kids.
But when you came, how old the kids?
Since birth, the
The
mom
first
is
one?
still pregnant.
Okay, so 2 newborn.
Yes, 2 newborn.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 5:45 in the morning. Then ready myself, personal hygiene first. Then
Okay.
I prepare the food of the children and ready the children going to school. And after that, cleaning the house, cooking the food.
Mm-hmm.
And in the afternoon, I need to finish all my work before going to bed.
Okay, so do you prepare the dinner?
Yes, I cooking dinner
What time?
around 6 in the afternoon or 7.
Okay, what time do you eat for the dinner?
7 to 8.
7 to 8. Okay, so until what time you go to sleep?
Sometimes I finish my work at 10 in the evening.
Okay, so where will you go on your holiday?
I go to church first, then I go to the park with my friends.
Okay, what kind of household chores are you good for?
Clean your house, most especially taking care of the babies.
Mm-hmm. How
Cooking.
about your cooking?
Cooking skill is not just fine, not very
Okay, average only.
average.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, I'm very much willing.
Okay, so what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
I am a worker in a manufacturing company.
Okay, thank you.